In a world driven by visuals, creativity needs intelligence because great design isn't just seen, it's remembered. Introducing Prism, the creative hub within Helium AI, built to turn brand thinking into visual impact. Prism transforms ideas into powerful visual assets while preserving what matters most: your brand context, your identity, your consistency, and your story. From social media graphics to marketing visuals and email designs, Prism creates content that is consistent, on brand, and visually striking across every touchpoint. It understands your tone, your colors, your design language, and your intent, so every asset feels intentional, not automated. Every visual is crafted with clarity, relevance, and purpose, designed to communicate the right message at the right moment. No scattered tools, no design guesswork, no loss of brand identity, just one intelligent system working in sync with your brand. Whether you're building a campaign, engaging your audience, or scaling your brand presence across platforms and teams, Prism ensures every visual speaks the same language: clear, consistent, and unmistakably yours. With Prism, creativity is no longer fragmented. It is unified, intelligent, and effortless. So your teams can move faster without compromising quality. Prism by Helium AI, where brand intelligence meets creative execution.